Feeling down about your summer break coming to an end and need a quick comedic pick-me-up? You've come to the right place. With me, I have 6 weeks down and only 2 more weeks left in my summer break. I am battling between stage 4 and 5 of the summer break stages. What stage are you in?
I've got all the time in the world. It's summer. Hey guys, can we keep it down a little bit? Mama's trying it up. I just got a notification from Target that there is a back to school sale. And that's a funny joke, right? Like, it's July. Who's thinking about back to school? If I never got the email, then I can't be welcomed to back to school. Hey, I'm gonna fix our Wi-Fi. Done. It's summer. Mommy's on break. Okay. That is Mommy's teacher friend who loves to talk about school, and Mommy's just not ready yet. School's next week. School's next week. School's next week. How did this happen? All right. Let's see. How does that math work? I also have to do my bulletin boards. First day of school. There's no longer denying that it's here.
How was the first day of school?
Let's fix the stress and panic over summer break almost ending with these 5 comedians who are guaranteed to make you laugh. First up, we have Eddie B. Now, Eddie is known for his Teachers Only comedy tour, where he brings the hilarious reality of teaching to the stage. If you've ever wondered what teachers really think about their students' behavior, Eddie's got the answers, and they are hysterical.
Clothes you have on should reflect the grades you bring home. Got on J's, but ain't made no A's. Mr. Brown, I got them Jordan 1s. You need to take them back and get them new Jordan Incompletes. My mama just bought me some LeBron. Should've got you some LaFlungs. How you got on hot tops with a low average? Mr. Brown, I got that sauce. But can you drizzle it on some of your assignments? Cause your grades are bland. One parent bought her little girl Fashion Over. Her scores was Fashion Under. Where your backpack, boy? I don't have one. You sure had one on that back to school pic your mama put up on Instagram. My nickname this year is non-recess. I ain't playing no games. Y'all can just fly from head to toe. I need all my homework. You got on Nikes, don't you? But just do it. One little boy go home every year and tell his mama he don't get report cards. I guess that's why he wearing felines. Stop rewarding these kids for doing nothing. That ain't how life works. They bring home a 50, buy them one shoe. Buying Adidas. When they done made a 60, buying Pumas. Ain't gonna get no diploma. That's a good name for some shoes. My mama say I don't need all the supplies on this list. How long your mama been a teacher? She not. Jesus is right.
Eddie's like that cool teacher who lets you call him by his first name. Next on our list is Orlando Baxter. Orlando's background in teaching gives him plenty of material for his stand-up routines.
I don't know if you've ever been hissed at by a 14-year-old. It was terrifying. I knew I was nervous because I moved the stapler a little bit closer to me. I said, I will staple the heck out of this cat if I have to. I'm a dog man anyway.
Now, we have Chad Thornsberry. Chad's comedy is filled with hilarious anecdotes from his time as a teacher.
That's such a lie, isn't it? Because let me tell you something, when you teach, not only are there stupid questions, those are generally the only kind you get. It's the middle of October, my kids were studying Legend of Sleepy Hollow, Headless Horseman, that whole thing. I've got a kid in the back of the room raise his hand and said, Mr. Thornsberry, wouldn't that be really weird if Halloween and Friday the 13th happened on the same day? That'd be spooky.
And now, let's talk about Gerry Brooks. Known for his viral videos, Gerry shares the everyday realities of being a teacher with a hilarious twist. His humor resonates with teachers everywhere, making him a must-watch.
Good Lord. Hello? Who's this? Oh, the principal. Everybody's the principal. Everybody say, hey, hey. Everybody says, hey. Science PD at the school? No, we're not coming. No, we're all over at Beverly's. Go, Beverly. Go, Beverly. She's getting ready to do a belly flop in the pool. We're doing our own Science PD. Yeah, we're studying water displacement. We're going to see how much water she can displace out of the pool jumping in. Yep, no, we're not coming. No, you should have let us have a say-so as to when this was going to be. But we just partying right now. No, but you have a good old time. All right, talk to you later. All right, woo, go Beverly, go Beverly.
Last but not least, we have the creator of Honest Teacher Vibes, Brianna Richardson. Her YouTube series gives us a hilarious and heartwarming peek into the real-life ups and downs of teaching.
All right, class, y'all go ahead and get your laptops out, please. Marissa, my laptop dead. Tristan, let me see your phone. What you want to see my phone for, Marissa? Just let me see it. Come here, bring it to me. I'm trying to see something. All right, okay, well, don't be going all through my phone and stuff. Give it to me. Just like I thought. How is it that your phone is on 98% but your laptop is dead? You remember to plug your phone in, but you can't remember to plug your laptop in? Where do your priorities lie? Obviously with my cell phone, Marissa. That's why my cell phone charging, my laptop not. Duh. Oh, okay. So you got a smart mouth today, huh, Tristan? Okay, let me go ahead and call Miss Juanita. Oh no, Marissa, I was just playing. Please don't call my mama. I was just playing.
With honest teacher vibes, you'll see that teaching is no walk in the park, but it sure provides plenty of laughs. So there you have it. 5 teacher comedians who are masters of both the classroom and the comedy stage. If you need a good laugh or just want to see the lighter side of teaching, check them out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one.